This is like a very aggressive knife. I just feel like having this like right in the shot, I mean business. I do not take cheese slicing very lightly, apparently. Hello everyone! Today I'm doing a video type that I have not done yet. There are a couple of recipes that are all sort of like dinner related, and together they make like 500 million views. That is a lot of people watching these recipes. So I thought it'd be kind of fun because these are all super popular recipes to make like a dinner with all of them and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's see if I have any favorites. Let's see if I actually can make any of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Saturday and every other Tuesday. And let me know if you have any requests for future recipes that I should be testing out. But without further ado, let's get into this. So the first recipe we're gonna be testing out is a stuffed meatball. And this is stuffed with mozzarella. It looks delicious. I'm probably gonna put it on top of spaghetti. Okay, first things first, we have a big chunk of mozzarella and I'm just gonna cut up little like 1-inch chunks. That's gonna go like, they're gonna go in the center of each of the meatballs. I'm gonna start with this. I don't know how many meatballs this is gonna make. It's like a good place to start, right? Now a big bowl for all of the ingredients. And so in it, we're gonna put in the ground beef and then some Italian sausage. Now they said to do spicy, but I don't do spicy very well. So we're just going with the regular. Then we're gonna add to it a bunch of very meatball-y kind of ingredients. So we have garlic powder, some salt and pepper. I have them in like little fancy bowls too. Makes the whole process go so much faster. Some Parmesan, breadcrumbs, some parsley, and 2 eggs. All right, now on to my least favorite part, mixing it together with my hands. Oh, this is not my favorite part of the process, but I do love meatballs. Okay, now that everything is mixed together, now what we're gonna do is we're going to take a meatball-sized amount. We're gonna put one of the little cubes of mozzarella into the center and then form a ball around it. And then I need to find my slow cooker. Just gonna wash my hands here for a second. So I have my slow cooker pot here, and then I have my marinara sauce here, and I'm just gonna put a little bit into the base and then start putting each of the meatballs on top. Pour. And then meatballs. This process is not difficult, it's just quite time consuming. So, you know, make sure you have a show going or some good music, because right now I'm a little bored.
Hi.
Christopher?
How are you?
They're not supposed to know that you're there. They're just hiding off at the corner.
Helping.
Okay, one layer of meatballs is done. I'm going to pour in another one of the marinara, and I'm using my meat covered hands because this is almost done, so I'm just gonna use up the rest. All right, on to layer 2. I'm gonna get sauce all over my shirt. Nope. Didn't get on my shirt. It did get on the floor though. How come it pours all nice for you? It just splatters everywhere for me. All right, so I'm gonna set this on high for 2.5 to 3 hours. Now on to the next recipe. On to the salad, and this one is actually like pretty straightforward. And I cut up everything in advance because nobody needs to see me awkwardly cutting a whole bunch of vegetables on camera. This is exactly something that I would crave in the summertime, so I'm really excited about it. So first going in is some cucumbers, some avocado. I had to hide those avocados, by the way, from my children because otherwise they would have eaten all of them. Some tomato in here, and then we have some cilantro. I did less than the recipe called for only because I'm okay with cilantro, I just don't want it like to be the overwhelming flavor. Toss some of that in there. And then some red onion, and that is it. I am going to hold off from dressing this until like the meatballs are almost done. So I'm gonna wait until dinner and then I'm gonna do the whole thing. But yeah, that is summer in a bowl, everyone. Okay, so now for the dessert, and this is probably one of the first tasty recipes that I had ever seen. And it's the one that's like the apple bake that has all like the cinnamon rolls interspersed throughout it. So I got out all of my stuff here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up 2 Granny Smith apples. Again, with the aggressive knives. Oh, I just realized I shouldn't have done this first. I should actually do the cinnamon roll first. It doesn't matter. And cue fast forward. Okay, so these are on medium-high heat. They're gonna simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna add in the brown sugar now. And then this is going to be on for about 10 minutes until everything caramelizes. Get this tasty up close. Woo. So while that's simmering away, I'm gonna be like checking on that back and forth and stirring it. These are just cinnamon rolls. I think it's like Pillsbury or something. Well, scares me every time. And they say to reserve the icing, which I will. They want them chopped into 9 chunks per cinnamon roll. Very specific. So now that these are all cut up all nicely, I'm gonna go on to the egg mixture that's going to kind of soak into the cinnamon rolls. I'm also listening for the apples that are simmering over here, and I'm scared I'm gonna burn the sugar. Just keep stirring, just keep stirring. So in here is gonna go 4 eggs, some cinnamon, some milk, as well as some vanilla. I have to keep checking that it's a tablespoon of cinnamon because that is a lot of cinnamon, but it is, that's what they say. Now we're just going to whisk this together. I hate doing anything liquid with cinnamon because it's like impossible to get the cinnamon to combine in with other ingredients. All right, so these apples look really good. So I think these are done. I'm gonna pull these off the heat. And now to assemble. So I'm gonna start with all of these cinnamon roll pieces, then cover it up with the egg mixture. Try my best to drizzle it evenly over top. Now on to the apple mixture. Okay, I didn't do a very good job spreading that out evenly. Here we go. And then last but not least, before baking it, they want me to spread the cinnamon on top, if it'll actually drizzle. I said drizzle. This is not drizzling, so I'm gonna put it into this measuring cup here and just heat it up a little bit. All right, that's better. This is the best part of doing cinnamon rolls, by the way. All right, it's done. Now into the oven. This is what the apple pie bake looks like. It kind of looks like green peppers. I'm gonna be honest, it's not the most attractive looking dessert I've ever seen. All right, so now it's time to dress the salad. So I just have a lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze all of the lemon in. Oh no, see! Once you have full lemon in, then you should probably wash your hands because it burns. All right, and then a healthy pinch of salt and lots of pepper. It's a really easy dressing, actually. Like, this is something I would normally do anyway. And then some olive oil. Toss it together. Voila! Salad. Now let's go and get ready to taste test all of this. Okay, now for the ultimate taste test. Because it's also dinner time, so I'm going to eat all of this. So first of all, I have the meatballs with pasta. Right in the center of the meatball is the cheese, and it stayed in there, which is very exciting. That's really good. I like it. I like the cheese in it. It's a different take on it. It wasn't that much extra work either to do it. I mean, if you're forming meatballs anyway. What do you want with pasta? I don't know what that means, Lassie. Oh, I'm terrible at this.
Yeah, it's good.
That was good, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Good meatball.
Yeah, like I'm not mad at it.
Yeah, what about salad?
Gotta have a little bit of everything. This felt like a lot of red onion in this salad. Miniature salad.
Red onion.
We gotta get a scoop with all the layers. I don't know, this just tastes like vegetables to me. This doesn't have like a dressing to it. Christopher's fixing my salad.
I'm testing.
Okay, all right. Stir it up. Okay, there we go, there we go. I know, Christopher, you come taste it. Wait, I have to form you a mini salad first. Like, it just tastes very fresh. There's no like lemon. There wasn't like enough lemon. I think the salad's fairly average considering how many views it is. It's a nice vegetable salad, but like wasn't mind-blowing in any way. And last but not least, this apple bake thing. So I have some ice cream on the side because that is what they have in the video. And I'm not gonna say no to ice cream. All right. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, it tastes like cinnamon rolls with apple in it. It's just like, this isn't mind-blowing in any way. It's not the best cinnamon rolls ever. It's not the best like apple dessert thing ever. I don't know. Tell me if there's anything you do differently.
Not really getting as much apple as I expected. Like, it's mostly just the cinnamon buns, but in a less pleasing shape.
Like, I'm fine with it,
Yeah.
but like it's not offensive, but like it's not something that I'm like, wow, I need to make this again. So that's everything, guys. Let me know what you think of this video. Leave a comment and a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have any other suggestions for recipes that you guys want me to test out next. Maybe we'll do like I don't know, like brunch next. Oh, that would be good. Oh my gosh, we could do mimosas. And that is everything for this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah.